How to print 100 custom t-shirts for $140. Purchase 100 American Apparel t-shirts for $1 each. Order 101 color screen printed transfers from fmexpressions.com. Follow directions on the back. You're going to set heat press at 375 degrees. Press for 7 seconds with medium pressure and peel hot. Center design by placing transfers 3 inches from collar. Then press and peel immediately. After peeling, cover with a Teflon sheet and press for 5 more seconds for best results. This is a cost-effective way to start your t-shirt brand. If you are interested in learning more strategies and suppliers like the ones in this video, check out our ebooks and vendors list at tricityWholesale.com. All are on sale for $7 or less with shop installments pay available. Thanks for watching and hit the like button.